Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a ride on the Bolt app. And there's multiple ways how to go about doing this. You can either search for a place that you want to go, and once you're there you will see, instead of selecting the Bolt button that says select Bolt, you can select the schedule icon right next to it and click and reserve a ride, and you'll proceed by picking the time. Let me show you another way how you can do that. At the home screen of the app, you will also see where it says where to, and you will see schedule. If you tap on that, it takes you over to the same place. You can reserve a ride, you can choose where you want to go, and from here you can select your date and time, right? So here it says pick a time. You can select a time, so you can go ahead and you can say I want that to be, whatever, PM, AM. It's really up to you. You can also select the date as well if you want to, and then from here you can simply go ahead and click and continue. Once you click and continue, that's going to allow you to schedule time that you want, and you'll be able to schedule your ride easily from here. And that's how easy it is, guys, to easily go ahead and schedule a ride in advance on the Bolt app.